Good morning, students. Today's topic is prime meridian. A prime meridian is the meridian in a geographical coordinate system at which longitude is defined to be 0 degree. Together, a prime meridian and its anti-meridian form a great circle. Is great circle divided a spheroid into the two hemispheres? You can see here southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Prime meridian as it passes through London Greenwich. England is considered 0 degree longitude because both of equator and the prime meridian are imaginary line. You can see here imaginary line. Now clear everybody. You can see here longitude and latitude on your globe. And second point is standard time. What is the standard time? The standard time is a local time in a country or a region. One day light saving time is not in use. Standard time is also known as winter time. It is sometimes referred to as or winter or normal time. Okay, you can see here your map, your India's map, and standard time winter is different and summer is different. Come to the next point, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. You can see here equator and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. And Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude on the earth, whereas the sun can appear directly overhead, and Tropic of Capricorn is the most southern latitude on the earth, whereas the sun can appear directly overhead. The Tropic of Cancer is currently directly positioned at the approximately 23.4 degree north of the equator. 23.4 degree north of the equator. Tropic of Cancer is the nearest city in India is Udaipur, city of Tripura. Tropic of Cancer is the imaginary line at 23.50 degree north of equator, and Cancer run through the middle of India. You can see middle of India. This rays is run through the middle of India. And come to the next point. Tropic of Capricorn is one of the five major circles of the latitude marked on the map of Earth. Its latitude is currently 23.43 degrees south of the equator, but it is very gradually moved northward. You can see here moved gradually and moved like this. Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Capricorn is a central place of South Pole, and Tropic of Cancer is place of North Pole. And this is equator. Equator I have read previous topic. Okay. Now goodbye.